How to troubleshoot the Irritrol sprinkler controller. There is nothing more frustrating than going out to the lawn to find dead spots or dry spots because your sprinkler controller failed to turn on. Electronics can be confusing, and the problem always seems time-consuming. Controllers can be out of reach to most of us because we are unfamiliar with the system. Irritrol has come a long way since its first mechanical timer. Their clocks are all digital now, compact, and easier to use. Each controller is compartmentalized for easy access and repair. Things you'll need: Phillips screwdriver, pliers, electrical tape, wire nuts. How to troubleshoot the Irritrol controller. Cut off power to the controller before working on controller. Unscrew the panel with a Phillips screwdriver covering the transformer. Unplug the controller, and check for loose wires. Any loose transformer wire causes the system to not work. A good indicator of this is the LED display, for the display is off when there is power. Check the fuse for burnout. Pull the fuse with your fingers or pry it out with a small screwdriver. Hold it up to the light to see if the filament is intact. If it is burned out, replace the fuse. Unscrew the panel covering the valve wires. This is on the bottom where the wires feed into the controller. Loose valve wires cause the sprinklers to not activate. Tighten loose wires with the Phillips screwdrivers. Go to the valve and locate the splice. Take off wire nut and any electrical tape. Resplice wires using a pair of pliers. Twist the wires together with the pliers for a good, snug fit. Twist on wire nut. Retape the connection with black electrical tape. A bad splice causes the sprinklers not to activate. Tips: warnings. Check your connections on the controller on a weekly basis. Make sure your controller is located in a watertight enclosure. Never work on wiring in a controller when the controller is plugged in.